In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain using the Wix platform. Whether you're moving your domain from another provider to consolidate your services with Wix, or ensuring seamless management of your website, we'll guide you through this process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you're on the main dashboard, head over to the settings. You'll find this option in the sidebar. It should be easy to spot. In this section, look for the Domains option. Click on that, as it will lead you to where we can begin the domain transfer process. Once you're in the Domain section, you should see an option that says Add an existing domain. Go ahead and click on that. Now, find the button that says Start Transfer. Clicking this begins the process of transferring your domain over to Wix. The next step requires you to enter the particular domain you want to transfer. Carefully type in your domain name to avoid any errors. Once you've done that, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select your current domain host from the list. If you're unsure who your current host is, you might need to check your previous registration details or emails for this information. After selecting your current domain host, click on Continue. But don't switch off just yet. Now, you need to log into your account with the current domain host. This step is crucial because it allows the necessary verification for the transfer. It's also essential to ensure that your domain is ready for transfer. Check if there are any locks on your domain that might need to be removed, and confirm that your domain is up to date with any applicable renewal fees paid. Consult your current domain host if you're not sure about these details. With your domain unlocked and ready, you need to retrieve an authorization code from your current domain host. This code is a sort of key that allows the transfer to proceed securely. You might receive this code via email or through your host's dashboard. Once you have your authorization code, return to Wix and paste it into the field labeled Enter Authorization Code. Be careful to input it correctly, as inaccuracies could delay the process. Finally, click Continue. This last step initiates the transfer, and in a short while your domain will be successfully moved to Wix. Remember, domain transfers can sometimes take a few days to complete, so be patient. And that's it. You've learned how to transfer a domain to Wix. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Have a great day!